Okay, welcome back my YouTube friends for one more video. And you have a thought, Anjan, why you have kept shoe boxes? And that too one shoe in the top. So many of my friends and many of you guys know I love shoe collections. Latestly I bought these pair of shoes and a lot of fun on another 3-4 shoes I got, but totally I have around 15 shoes. So they give with these boxes, okay, and these boxes over the time they will be faded, they will it will be damaged and a lot of other things will happen. So I was really worried guys about my shoes, because we spend lot of money, like for example 8,000, 10,000, 25,000 priced shoes. So and we have to secure it, okay. So because I rarely wear a pair of shoes, right? So I wanted to have a good storage solution for my sneaker collection or my shoe collections. So I was searching and the boxes were quite expensive, but can't help guys, when premium comes budget also comes, right? So I was looking forward for a good storage box for my shoes. So then I came across some company called Dia, some website I wanted to order, and I was searching in Amazon also, but many options were there, but it a bit pricey, I didn't know, but I wanted to give it a try on this website. I will leave this link in the description below, do check it out. So I got a big package, okay. This is one of the package, I will show one package, rest of the same, okay. This is one package, another package is there, so I will unbox that also, have different color options also. So yeah, this is the package, okay. Let me, rather wasting our time, let's unpack. Okay guys, I got 3 boxes here and another 6 boxes there. Okay, I will unbox these 3. Oh, I will show you one box, okay, only one box. It is same all on the 3 boxes. Yeah guys, the first one, oh my god, so much they have taped it. So this is how it looks, the front box. We have some branding and it's tells Stackable sneaker box, and we have 3 color option. One is transparent, red and black. So I have ordered 6 black color, I will show you later, and 3 red color I wanted to have, because almost 10 shoes I have. A few shoes I will keep it in. I wanted to try, so I just buy it almost 6 plus 3, 7, 8 boxes I have ordered. I'll show you one unboxing video. This side, if I turn it, is as instructions how to assemble this, okay. So that's all guys. It tells all the strong magnetic closure, fits up to UK 14 size, smooth stacking, quick 20-second installation, UV protected panels, not bad, and holds up to 80 kgs. Okay, fine, let's see. Oh my god, box inside box. Okay. Oh, this is a red color. See, it has written red. Okay, and let me open. Oh my. Seriously, guys. Really awesome, guys. The color looks like a Ferrari red. I love it. I will like Chumeshwari. Okay, very good packaging, right? I love the packaging, really. And this is the first box, okay. So another package open, and yeah guys, package and package and package. Okay, let me clear these boxes and I'll show you how to assemble this. Okay, first the side panels will go and sit like this. Also the side panel. Okay, now guys, this one will go inside here. So this is how it looks. First side panels, left, right and back panel, and now we have to install the top panel. So to cover this, so where the magnets will come, this is the top panel, and this is the transparent panel, front panel, where we can see our beautiful shoes collection. So where we have hinge over here, okay, so we have to put that hinge in the bottom. Okay guys, done. Okay guys, so the box is ready. See guys, the quality, no comments, 9 out of 10 quality. The quality is really good. So this is how the box looks inside. Okay, the 360 view, this is amazing guys, so super duper guys. Okay, let me stack up all the boxes and show you guys how it looks. Okay, talk about my shoes. I have one angel wing shoes, one Puma Ferrari, Puma BMW. This is from Zara, the silver one, and Skechers yellow color, and one more Puma running shoes, one more Puma Ferrari, and that's from Zara. Okay, you guys saw the cinematic shots of my super duper collection. So these are the shoes I have got over the period. I have collected all the shoes. Surely in future many I will be getting. Okay, so let me talk about the pros and cons. The pros are the quality, build quality is exceptional. The price, for the price it's worth. Could have been a little bit less, but fine. 1,100 rupees for one box, I believe. It's quite expensive because of the premium. Okay, so the quality is good, especially the red color. I loved the red color. Black is okay. I need to buy one. I will order transparent, another 3 or 4 stack of transparent boxes also, and I will review that also. Those are the pros. Cons are then I don't see much of cons. Thumbs up. There are only pros, as I feel the best investment for the shoe collection. So thank you so much. If you loved my shoe collection, don't forget to hit that like button and leave your thoughts in the comment section, and do be part of my family by pressing the subscribe button. Let's catch up another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and have a great life guys. Bye bye.